This is the Bosch 1974-8 7-inch large angle grinder. A 4 horsepower 15 amp motor provides up to 8,500 RPM, giving you the power you need for cutting and surfacing concrete or grinding and cutting metal. 8,500 RPM is optimized for 7-inch wheels, so your wheels can last up to 20% longer than at 6,000 RPM. The versatility of this tool is really impressive. Weighing in at just 11.8 pounds, this grinder has a great power to weight ratio. Vibration control in the main and side handles reduces vibration up to 50%, keeping you comfortable during those longer jobs. You can also rotate the main handle so you have optimum grip for the application at hand. The tool-free adjustment guard is designed to be burst wheel resistant, so it contains the wheel if it bursts. Power and epoxy-coated components provide protection against dust and debris, so your tool runs longer. Service minder brushes take the guesswork out and stop the tool when brushes require replacement. The 1974-8 is available both with and without the lock-on switches depending on your needs. This tool really is a workhorse and has all the components needed to work as long and as hard as you do. So this is it, the Bosch 1974-8 7-inch large angle grinder. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch grinders.